Advanced Information System Concepts. Members of the group: Hendy, Alisar Akbar P, Shinta Anggari A. Supply Chains Management or SCM. On Information Technology in Supply Chains. Overview of Management of Supply Chains or SCM. Definition of Management of Supply Chains or SCM. The supply chain is a system that involves the analysis and delivery, storage, distribution, and sales of product or frames that will meet the demand of the product. Objective Supply Chain Management. Objective supply chain management is to ensure the reviews are on product, place, and the right time to review the state meet demand creates the stock consumer without excess or shortage. Function of Management of Supply Chains or SCM. Physical operating SCM convert raw materials product being finished product and delivery it into the end user. Principle of SCM. Segmentation of consumer based on their needs. Adjust logistic network to review serving the needs of different consumer. Benefit of SCM. In general, the application of the concept of SCM in the enterprise will have the added benefit. Gibberish 200,001. Customer certification. Increase revenue. The reduced fees. Higher asset utilization. The increase in profit. And the large the company. A role of information technology in supply chain management. Development of information technology plays an important role for development concept of SCM in a company because it was the one who gave birth to technological progress principle, the basic principles of supply chain management. This is because the essence of the ingredient of progresses and business entails in the supply chain management domain is to share the information held and produced by the various parties that are in the business. In general, the role of information technology in supply chain management can be seen from two major perspectives, namely 1. Technical perspective, 2. Managerial perspective. In importance of information technology in a supply chain. Information technology plays an important role in an SCM because information technology can aid in the development of supply chain management. There are many IT involvement in SCM, among others in the form Enterprise Resource Planning or ERP, Inter-Organization Information System or EOIS, Electronic Data Interchange or AD, Virtual Enterprise or VE, e-commerce. Therefore, the involvement of information technology in a supply chain management plays an important role in the supply chain management itself. One of them was the use technology in a business such as e-commerce.
Use of information technology in supply chain management. The use of information technology in supply chain management is to reduce transaction cost difference between supply chain partners and cost in getting the flow of information. In other words, more information technology has a role in supporting collaboration and coordination of supply chain through the utilization of shared information. Information technology can also be used for decision making. In this case, it takes the analytical rigor of the computer to provide assistance for a decision. Information technology has an important role in supporting the performance of companies that will create useful strategy by enabling centralized strategic planning with centralized operation. Information technology has a huge impact in the SCM. According Simchi Levy 2003, the purpose of the use of information technology in SCM are 1. Provide useful information and real. 2. Allows for a single data contact. 3. Give a decision based on the total supply chain information. 4. Allows collaboration with supply chain partners. Information technology, the information enabler. Definition: information technology. Information technology or IT, or in English known as information technology or IT, is a general term for any technology that helps people to create, modify, store, communicate, and or disseminate information. TI brings together computing and high-speed communication for data, voice, and video. Example of information technology is not only a personal computer, but also telephone, TV, electronic home appliance, and modern mobile device, or e.g. mobile phones. Function information technology. Function information technology or IT, there are 6 information technology functions are as follows: 1. Capture. 2. Process. 3. Generate. 4. Save. 5. Looking back. 6. Transmission. Application of information technology in various fields. 1. Application information and communication technology. 2. Application in the information technology company. 3. Application of information technology in the business world. 4. Application information technology in banking. 5. Application information technology in education. 6. Application of information technology in health. So, generally speaking, it can be said that 1. Information technology replaces human role. In this case, the information is an automation technology to a text or process. 2. Technology to strengthen the role of man by presenting information on a text or process. And 3. Information technology plays a role in the restructuring of the role of human beings. In this case, the technology was instrumental in making the change to the set of text or processes. Use of information system SCM in practice. In this case, the application of supply chain management in times like this fit applied because this system has advantage which were able to manage the flow of goods or products in a supply chain. In this case, applying the SCM models of how a network of production and distribution activities of an enterprise can work together to meet the demands of consumers. The use of SCM for companies several areas in developing countries, including Indonesia, is still very limited, where the relationship between each subsystem involved in general are still discontinuous, making it difficult to compete in the free market. In Indonesia can be applied optimally to fix some shortcoming to hinder this system. In this case, a solution that can be done is to transform structures are insulated and separate the vertical integration structure.
In the application of this SCM should also pay attention to things that needs to be avoided that would inhibit this system. These things include 1. Measurement performance is not well defined. 2. Customer service is not defined clearly, and there is no delay in the response says in reviews. 3. Status of late delivery of data and inaccurate. 4. The information system is inefficient. 5. Impact to quality ignored. Conclusion. The actions of supply chain management in the company can help enhancement effectiveness and effectivity in the providing process of raw material, customer order fulfillment, as well as the distribution of finished goods. Implementation of supply chain management in the future as this should apply because the system has a advantage which is able to manage the flow of goods or product in a supply chain management. Thank you for watching.